Hi guys! Today I want to show you how to use one color to make a whole eyeshadow look. I'm going to show you how I did this look right here. You only need one brush and one color of eyeshadow. It's so easy and it can be any color that you want. So if you want to use a shimmer, I'd put that on the lid, but I'd still use a matte in the crease area. Today I'm going to be using my Pure Festival palette. I could use the shimmer color here and then this kind of matte red color, but for this video I'm just using one color, so I'm just going with the matte red color in the crease and on my lid. I'm going to start with my finger, and the color is Hidden Desert. So you can go as dark or as light as you want. I like my lid to be pretty dark. So now I'm just going to use this and go back and forth, just to kind of blend out the edge a little bit. There's no product on this brush right now, just to let you know. So we're just blending out the edge just to see what happens with the color. So you can see it's not going up too high, so I'm definitely going to add some more color after. So now I'm going to add some more of that color right where I can feel my eyeball. So press it right in there. You can see where my eyeball is, and between my brow bone and my eyeball, right in there. I'm gonna dip and make sure to tap. Because it's still kind of a harsh line, we want it to be soft. So you can see that line is looking a lot softer. I might just add some more color to the lid just to make it pop more. And then you take your blending brush that's clean, just softly blend. You don't want to put too much pressure on that. Light pressure. I'm going to go underneath and just kind of buff this color underneath and make sure it's nice and blended. And now I just want to add some highlight to my inner corner and my brow bone. So I'm just going to finish my other eye, add some mascara, and I'll be right back. I just want to show you the difference between my two eyes. So you can see this eye looks really small and really puffy because there's no crease color. Just when my eyes are open, it looks like I just have a line, just a line of eyeshadow. That's all for this look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, please subscribe for more videos in sign. I have new videos every Friday, so I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!